What I hear a lot when coaching women is the lack of connection with their partners. This puts a strain on their relationship and often leads to miscommunication, disagreements, and arguments, often over the simplest of things. Does this sound familiar? Hi, I'm Amanda, co-founder of Retune.Life, and we run workshops to help couples reconnect. So, what is connection? Well, put simply, without it, we'd be extinct. As humans, we're herd animals. We need connection like the air we breathe. Connection helps us feel seen, feel heard, and belong. Being heard to some people feels so close to being loved, it's almost indistinguishable. Connection starts with building rapport and common interests with each other. This is the beginning of our friendships. I'd like to share with you one of my favorite quotes regarding connection. The energy that exists between people when they feel seen, heard, and valued, when they can give and receive without judgment, and when they derive sustenance and strength from the relationship. That's from Brené Brown, by the way. Our friendships fulfill our need of belonging and for having fun times. However, it's not all about just having fun. We are complex beings and desire a deeper connection with our partners, exploring with curiosity who they are at their core. With our partners, we need to have trust and to feel safe to be vulnerable, where we can be the whole of ourselves, hence the saying, giving our all. In the beginning of our relationship, we are overflowing with interest in each other and the desire to do everything together. Our relationship offers the potential of a happy and satisfied life. And here's a curveball. Generally, women need connection to have sex, while men need to have sex to have connection. This is one example of the differences that, if not well understood, can contribute to relationship issues, and it's all based on connection. The myth we are sold is that relationship will solve all our problems and we will live happily ever after. In fact, it's the beginning of something amazing. Two individuals coming together to contribute to each other's happiness, maybe becoming parents and working towards shared dreams. That sounds simple, doesn't it? However, it's loaded with uncharted territory, with challenges along the way that will test our connection. We can get lost in the logistics of life, caught up in all the doing of so much that we have neglected to invest in our love. There is always conflict. However, combat is optional. And with respect and compassion in our conversations, we can listen to understand each other. Connection is key. Good, consistent communication is vital to support connection. I recommend avoiding making assumptions, as this can lead to misunderstandings. Misunderstandings create distance between us, and if ignored, can become the Grand Canyon if we don't seek to understand our partner's perspectives. We need always to be curious of each other's perspective and what's going on for them in the moment. We want to feel cared for. We all want to feel understood, appreciated, valued, loved. In our Retune workshops, we share tools with you that will help you create strong connection and build emotional intimacy, which is the foundation of healthy relationships. Join me in episode 2, where I'll share what emotional intimacy is, how to build it, and importantly, how to keep it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful in understanding why connection is fundamental to healthy relationships.